Hello there, this is Jay from JCAD. I make Autocad tutorials for students and professionals in the fields of architecture and interior design. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to get our weekly tutorials on AutoCAD and other design software. In this video, I will show you how to print in black and white in AutoCAD. I already have a simple project drawn here on the model space, and I will head to the layout tab here, and I've already set up the viewport. I'm looking at the project here or the drawing, and I will go to the printing menu or the plot menu by clicking on the icon on the top here. You can also use the shortcut Control P, or you can type plot and then click enter, and this would open the same menu over here. Alright, so when you're doing a preview here, or when you actually already go and do the print, you get this situation and you want it to be black and white. And the fix for this is pretty simple. So when the printing menu pops up or opens up, you need to head here to plot style table, and you need to change this from none, which is by default in AutoCAD, and switch it to monochrome. Alright, and then here I'm gonna click on preview, which shows us what's the outcome gonna be, and you will see most of the elements actually turn to black, the color black, and here few of the lines remain in color. So the fix for that is to go back here, and I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna click on this button right here beside the plot style. I'm gonna click here, it's edit, and basically we need to find the color that is not printing in black. So when you open the editor for the plot style, you will get this window, and in this window you will see the colors from color 1 all the way down to color 255, which is white, are going to print, depending on the settings, they should print in black. So for example, all of these right now selected, they are printing in black. So let's click cancel here and figure out what is the color on the other elements we have. And I'm gonna click cancel here to not print. Let's go back to model space and then look here at our elements. I will select this line and see what color is it assigned right now. And you can see here from the properties section on the home ribbon, it's color 30. So what we need to do is to go back to layout, and then here I'm gonna go back to the printing menu, and then here back to plot style, monochrome, and then I will click on edit, and then in the list I need to go down and find color 30, and you will see that the setting for color 30 is it's using its own color to print. So we will click on here and switch it to black, and then hit save and close, and then from here let's do a quick preview to see what happened. And here we go, this line actually is printing in black right now, but we still have other problematic lines here that are still printing in color. So let's go to the model space and investigate what color they are assigned. And here I'm just gonna click apply to layout just to apply the setting of monochrome plot style. Then I'm gonna click cancel because we don't want to proceed with the printing. So back to model space, and then let's look at these lines. I'm gonna select this one right here. I think all of the other lines here, this one and these here and this line, I think I have several lines here. Gonna click here, and now they're all selected and they all have the same color. Now when we look at this color or the property of these elements, and we look at the color section, we will see it has these color values, and it's not part of the colors that we saw in the list earlier in the plot style. And that's because here on this color menu, I think I chose this color, and basically these colors are true colors. They will not print using the monochrome. They will remain always following their own original color. So I don't recommend using these. If you want to use colors, better go to the more colors window over here, and then here you want to use the index colors. So these index colors are controlled with the monochrome plot style table, while true color, they will remain true and they will print in their own color. So what we want to do here is switch. For example, I had color 30 earlier. We can revert to that as well, and then I'm going to click OK. And now all these lines are following or assigned color 30. And then when I go back to layout, and then I'm going to go to print, and then let's do a preview. Everything comes out in black and white. And that was it for this video about how to make lines print in black and white in AutoCAD.